How to resize an image in Canva without cropping. So if you put an image in the design, but if you want to make the same size as the image, also the design, but some of the image cut out from your design. So to do that, to resize the image of the exact same of the design page, just click on this image, then go to position and copy this white and height of the image, paste it in the notebook. After copying the size of the image, just go to this resize option, then go to the custom size, then paste the image size of this that I just copied. Now it don't support the decimal number, so I'm just going to erase the decimal number and select the white and height. Then click on resize this design. Then again click on the resize this design. And after that, you will get the exact design of your page as the image without cropping the image. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.